Welcome back to Aviation This Week. Today's edition is brought to you by Livero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. I'm John Robinson of Wings and Helicopters, and this is your aviation news. Your top story: Textron Aviation establishes a Canadian operation. Then WestJet is to base its first Dreamliners in Calgary. And STARS will update its air ambulance fleet with Airbus H145 helicopters. We'll have all your aviation news right after this quick message from our sponsor. Textron Aviation of Wichita, Kansas, has established Textron Aviation Canada Limited, a new wholly owned subsidiary to expand the company's service network. The first phase of the expansion includes acquiring assets of Aspect Aircraft Maintenance, an MRO provider in Calgary, Alberta, where a Textron Aviation mobile service unit currently operates. Textron Aviation Canada also includes a new mobile service unit base in Toronto. Earlier this year, Textron added 4 new MSU bases in North America and introduced a new line maintenance station at London's Biggin Hill Airport. Textron explains today there are more than 500 Citation, King Air, and Hawker aircraft operating throughout Canada. In related news, Exicare in mid-October celebrated 25 years as the exclusive authorized sales representative for Cessna Citation jets in Canada. WestJet is launching non-stop service on board its Dreamliners from Calgary to London, Paris, and Dublin in April, May, and June 2019, respectively. WestJet explains the scheduled service between Calgary and these 3 overseas destinations will support 650 full-time jobs and generate $100 million in economic output. This is in addition to WestJet's yearly economic output of more than $5 billion that supports more than 32,000 direct and indirect jobs in Alberta. The 3 new flights are expected to eventually bring up to 185,000 visitors to Calgary on a yearly basis. The first 787 Dreamliner will arrive in Calgary early in 2019, with 2 more arriving by April. WestJet has options for an additional 10 aircraft to arrive between 2020 and 2024. The Airbus H145 was selected as the fleet replacement aircraft for STARS' aging fleet. This will be the first H145 in HEMS configuration to enter Canada. STARS' initial H145s are scheduled to be delivered in 2019 and will be based in Calgary. The Airbus H145 is Transport Canada certified and is the newest member of the company's 4-ton class twin-engine rotorcraft product range. To date, the global H145 fleet has achieved more than 100,000 flight hours since entry into service in 2015, with more than 200 units delivered. This is Annex Business Media's Niche TV. Thanks again to our sponsor, Livero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider.